Hey everyone, so in Costco we have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. This one, the gold, so the colors, and they are different. Like the pink gold will be 220. Let me go up for you. 220, ends on the 15th. Your limit is 5. And the gray is 250. Your limit is 5. So it's going to be all about the size. The gray one is going to be larger. Okay, so here we have the Lenovo Slim. Yeah, it's a slim one. Pro X. So you do get the GeForce RTX graphic card 3050. So it's actually pretty decent. Windows 11. It's going to be 1,600. 1 terabyte. I do have a Lenovo, but it's like not slim. I think I might have paid more for mine at Best Buy. This is actually pretty decent. The Fitbit is going to be 120, ends on the 15th. Your limit will be 3. So Fitbit Versa 4, the fitness smartwatch. This one is going to be 170, ends on the 15th. It's a bundle. You get Copper Rose, Beet Juice, the small, and then Beet Juice Infinity Band is large. Bonus, you get a bonus one, like a white band. And the charging cable. You get quite a bit in this. And it looks like 2 different color options to choose from. So tax season, they do have turbo tax here. Your limit is 2, ends on the 22nd. It'll be 65 for Premier Federal and State. And they do have home and business for 76. Your limit is 2, ends on the 22nd. I kind of just do mine online. Ladies, a lucky 4-piece pajama set. I don't think we've seen this color, but you know, you get the tank top and pajama bottom. I haven't seen this pinky red one. I know we've seen the stars one. Let me go down here. Oh, is this lucky too? Okay, this is one I haven't seen, maybe. So these heart earrings, they're white gold, it's a carat. They're gonna be 950. Oh, I'm trying to cover that glare. There we go. Today we have the Anne Klein, that's gonna be 100. So in this location, they have a 2 carat, the heart pendant. It's going to be 2,300. Because I think in the other locations, it was only like under a carat and a carat. This 18 carat gold is 1 carat, 2,800. It's pretty. It's like a rose ring. Let me see if I can zoom in for you. Okay, that one's new. I haven't seen this one. Oh gosh, there we go. And 700 right here. Oh, we haven't seen this one. This one's 730, and the back, that purple, is 430. So this one is new. It's going to be 180. You get the keyboard and digital crayon bundle. The keyboard case. Okay, that's kind of cool. So if you're in the market for a mattress, pretty inexpensive here in Costco. I mean, depending on what you're looking for, mattresses could be like $6.50 and up. Now this is a queen for only the foundation, so the base is going to be 104. Now if you want the full mattress, it's going to be 380. So that $380 for a mattress is honestly like a steal. What is it? This like a pillow top or something. I'm not a fan of pillow tops. They just kind of go like really flat. But if you're, you know, moving a new apartment all by yourself, for that price is honestly a great deal. And then you're gonna buy the base, so you're spending probably about a little over $400. Again, it will cost you more if you go to a, you know, a real furniture store, because they are pretty pricey. So a medium twin mattress is $270. Just pick it up and go, no delivery fee. $95 for the base, the foundation box. Now Casper is a memory foam queen mattress for $700. Just be careful on your memory foam because they do contain fiberglass. Well, most mattresses do. Just don't take off the zipper cover. Let's see, this one, Nova Form, the queen is $400, ends on the 15th. That's for a queen. Now if you want a king, it is going to be $480, ends on the 15th. The hangers, they're on sale, you guys. They're $12. Your limit is $5. So they're $15.99, but in different locations I go to, some were up to $18, and I was like, whoa, that's way too expensive, because they used to be about $12, I think, right? The original. Then they start going up slowly. So they're $15.99 now, $16, but $12. The Ninja Foodie extra large grill is $150. Ends February 12th though. Your limit is $5. I mean, for that price, it's not bad. Not bad. You have to buy it when it's on sale. Because I think the original one, that's not the extra large, I want to say it was Sam's Club, might have been like $160. Brand new in my Costco. This one is going to be a growler for $170, which I've never seen, but I think it's really cool. Like, hey, if you're traveling, you know, you need something for your beer.
Take a little portable still.
Yeah.
It looks funny.
It's cool, I think. Now the Sherpa blanket is a 20 now from 28. Your limit is 10, ends on the 12th. And next to me we have the boho bath towel. These are $10.99. And $12. A little assorted colors. I have the gray, blue, like the light minty green. I call it peachy pink. Really colorful. You get an 8 for $13. All-purpose towels. I do like these. You can also find these in TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So the flashlights are $20, and they are water resistant. And then next to me, these are going to be $33, 25 feet. So new one in the liquor department, going to be $27.50. And the cognac is $88. I'm just going to round it to $89. It's $88.99. And this one's new too for $59.99. Oh, some new stuff today. Which is kind of cool because I do, like I said before, I do hit up different Costco's. So each one is so different on like food. Sometimes I can find new food. Sometimes I can't. I can't believe it's 5,400. I mean, wouldn't you just love to be like, I'm going to Costco and I'm going to pick up liquor for like over 5,000 and not have a problem? We have spiced rum for $14. And then next to me, London Dry Gin will be $17. And the Empress, okay, is $36. Ends on the 4th of February. And this one's going to be $30.89. I love looking at the bottles. They're like my favorite. I don't know why.
It's like a water jug.
I know, it's kind of cool looking, right? Kind of looks like a little mini Heineken jug. Well, that's gluten free. Okay, and this one from San Diego is going to be $25. June Shine. We have tequila margarita. We have mango, classic, tropical, and passion fruit. See, I'm all about this right here. 2 shots per can. Mama Mango, I haven't seen, $6.89. Alright you guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and just end the video here in Costco. I'm going to, since I'm at a different location, I'm going to go to the food area and see if there's anything new. Please stay safe and I will see all of you in the next one.